Could this be the most powerful multiprocessor welder ever?
Everybody, this is your favorite rock and roll welder, Mr. Sawbladehead. I'm here to tell you about the Yeswelder MP200. Now, this little beast of a machine is perfect for all you DIY and all your maintenance projects, as this thing is a 5-in-1 multiprocessor welder. This thing will do MIG, gasless MIG, TIG, stick, and plasma cut. And for all you multitaskers out there, this thing will actually weld and plasma cut at the same time. Now, this has a large 4.3 LCD colorful screen. It's actually one of the best displays that I've seen in any welding machine out there. And with synergic control, by choosing different thicknesses or amperage, it will automatically change the voltage and wire speed. With built-in hot start, arc forces allow welding with E7018, E6011, and E6010 cellulose electrodes. Now, with the smart memory function, this stores all the current settings in that particular welding process. You get 10 presets per welding process that you can recall at an instant. And speaking of recall, the MP200 can do a full reset. You can switch between your units of measure between imperial or metric. Dual voltage, as the machine will run on 220 or 110. Now, this is a perfect opportunity to see what this machine can do, so I have several projects that I'm going to be working on. All right, so let's check this out. Now, for flux core, you're going to have to disconnect this positive and connect it like so for flux core welding. And when you're done, you're going to have to flip that back for your standard gas MIG welding. See how thin I can actually use that MIG gun. A friend of mine, like every year, brings over this water fountain that he has. Super thin little wires going onto these leaves. You see I replaced these two the other year, but now I'm just going to replace these. And I already cut out and bent those stems, plus I even have a mock-up of the angle. So let's test out the Yeswelder on some thin steel. Definitely got good penetration. That is a wrap for this video. Now, I've only scratched the surface of the processes from the Yeswelder MP200, and I got to say, this was a lot of fun to use. Right out of the box, the presets that I used, very minor tweaking, if at all. Every process worked fantastically. As you can see, I was quite inspired to work on a lot of different little projects, and you can see some of those on the Weld app. If you haven't downloaded the Weld app, go ahead and do so now for exclusive content, manufacturers deals, job placement, marketplace, a plethora of everything, just connecting with welders and learning and growing. Speaking of learning and growing, this thing is going to be staying with me. This is the only time I'm going to be saying no, is when they call for this machine back, I'm going to say no. This has been a yes throughout the entire project. This thing has been, like I said, so much fun. So on that note, inspire, empower, create, and repeat. Yeswelder and Mr. Sawbladehead, we're out of here.